Hey, what's up, YouTubers? This is Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today we're doing one of the greatest tunes ever, Tiny Dancer by Elton John. Okay, so of course this is all piano, but we can play it on guitar, no problem. It's got a lot of parts. Actually, I think it's 4 parts total, but it's not for beginners. We got some stuff happening, piano chords. But anyway, let's try to learn it. We're in standard tuning. Let's make sure. Yeah, because I'm always in between E flat and standard tuning, so I forget sometimes. Anyway, all right. So the song is in C. Let's go. So basically, C major to F, but we have this melody that he plays on the piano. So over C, that's grab high E string to D, 3rd fret B, and then when you grab the F, sorry, the top note is C to A. Just gotta pick that, so third time you stay on C, and then you hit A over F, so that's this F, and play A in the bass to a quick G. The intro is 4 times, 2 times before he starts singing, I think. And then he starts singing all this. Now, A over F, quick G. C to F. Stay on C. Okay, so let's call that the first part. Then we have the second part, F to E minor to A minor, and then we got this piano chord, F sharp over D. So that's 2 on the low E string, 2G, 3B, and then back to F major, E minor, A minor, and end on G7. Alright, so that's the second part. Let's do it from the top. Let's say he's singing here. A over F. Part F major, E minor, A minor, F sharp over D, F major, E minor, and A minor. Land on G7. And it's back to the first part. Okay, so here we got a third part. Starts on G major, G, F, E minor, D minor 7. That's 2, 1, 1, 2. And then all this repeats 2 times. The first time. That's the first part. So we do have 5 parts with the big chorus. Here's the bridge. So that's an A flat major, so bar chord 4th fret, to B flat major, to a G minor 3rd fret, to C minor, A string 3rd fret, and then back to A flat, stay longer, B flat, and then we have D diminished. That's starting on A string, 5, 6, 4, 6, and end on G7. So that whole thing is. D diminished, G7. Big chorus, F major, E minor, D minor 7 that we had earlier, F major, E minor, and now we got A over G. So if you remember the A over F, same shape, just start on the 5th fret. This is 4 times. And then last time, A over G, A over F, A over G, A over F, and then back to. Then everything repeats except it's just one, it's like half as long, and then it's back to the big chorus. All right, guys, a lot of stuff going on here, but fun on the acoustic guitar. Let's review. First part with the melody. A over F to G. And then second part, F major, E minor, A minor, F over D, F major, E minor, A minor, G7. And then the third part is descending from G, G, F, E, D minor 7. And then bridge, A flat, B flat, G minor, C minor, A flat, twice as long, B flat twice as long, D diminished, G7, and then big chorus, F major, E minor, D minor 7, F major, E minor, and A over G, and then it ends with A over F, A over G, A over F, and then back to. Cool. It took a little bit for me to remember all this stuff. I don't read. I mean, I do read, but I try to memorize everything just because it's good for my brain. All right, thank you. Hope you enjoyed this lesson. See you tomorrow, guys. Take it easy and be very safe. Thank you.